Okay, this is Portia.
The back of her head.
Portia with the 7-year-old, huh? Portia with the 7-year-old looks and the 7-year-old. She's just 7, but she in high school because I guess she's smart. But she really dumb in real life. Say hey to the camera, Portia.
She opened her finger.
I said say hey to the camera. I'm not playing. Okay. So this is a documentary about Portia. She has a car. Say hey, car. Hey. And this is Miss Taylor. Say hey, Miss. Yeah, she said the bottle. Say hey, Miss Taylor. That really means hey. Okay. And Portia's eating candy like a 7-year-old. Mr. French.
You stop calling her 7-year-old.
She knows she's 7. But she looks like a pit bull. You mad?
Uh-huh.
And this is Zenobia. Girl, stop laughing about it. Oh, look. Put your nails on camera. And these are nails. Check them out. Check them out. Now we're gonna watch the doorway to see who comes along. Baby. Go see somebody.
No.
Talking.
Roman Washington, please come to the main office.
And right, come on. Somebody's getting ready to come by and looking stupid.
Okay. All right.
Oh Lord, Miss Puffy said hey to the camera.
This is a put up.
Bye bye video. This is Tish.
She went. Go ahead.